as again today we are here with the discussion of the Trump policies and why Donald Trump policies matter to us, because he is the president of USA and USA has the biggest economies, so whose action will impact every nation. So that's why it is important to have an eye on the Trump's policies. Hello and welcome to the InNews series of Drishti IAS. I am Ritu and today's session is about Donald Trump 25% hike on the auto tariffs, and there is that he has imposed that there should be 25% tariff on the automobiles. So this is a precise we are going to discuss, and this session is important for your GS2 as well as GS3 perspective. So moving towards the points of discussion part. So first of all, we are going to discuss the news, then we are going to discuss about that what impact it will have on the Indian automobiles, then we are going to discuss about the effect on Indian economy, and then practice question for prelims. Before that, you have to like, share and subscribe to this TIA's channel. Moving towards to the news part. So the news, we already know that on April 3rd, there will be imposition of 25% tariffs on the automobiles, which Trump has announced on the 26th of April. And is it a shocking thing? So this is not a shocking thing, because Trump has been already asking about such things since its campaigning time only. So that's why we cannot be much awake, and we cannot be much shocked over such kind of the news. But here what we have to analyze that what impact it will have on all over the world economy, how other countries are responding to this particular situation. So if we'll see that is there any reciprocity by other countries, then we can see that there is a reciprocal tariff by the European Union on the USA, then there is a reciprocal tariff by the Canada, Mexico. Now it comes to the India, that will India planning to do such kind of things, and India will take impact, and India will be impacted by such policies or not. So here what we have seen that if we'll talk about the USA automobile industry, then they are also impacted, and they are also import so many things from the Mexico, Canada, European countries, also from the India. And in such situation, if there will be the tariff, there are chances that other countries will also reciprocate. In such situation, have Trump helped the domestic manufacturers? Because Trump has said that by taking such initiatives, we are going to help the domestic manufacturers of the USA. But now this is a very big question, that will it help the domestic manufacturer or not? Because they have to import things with the rising cost. So here this is a very tricky and crucial things which we must answer and which we must think. Now we are going to discuss about the Drishti IAS in Noida. As you already know that Drishti IAS is also in the Noida, and ISGA's foundation course is available in both the medium, Hindi medium and English medium. So here you can see the details. For Hindi medium, the class has been already begun. For English medium, the class will begin by the 8th April. Time is 6 p.m. This also 6 p.m. And this ISGS foundation course is of prelims plus mains course offline batch. So if you want to visit our address, you can visit C171/2 Block A, Sector 15, Noida, and nearest metro station is Noida, Sector 15. And if you want to call us for any kind of the queries, this is our calling number 87501 So coming to the discussion part. So the discussion is that what impact it will have on the Indian automobile industry. So here we can see that if we will compare India's export to America, then comparatively it is lesser than the Mexico, Canada. But still, if you can see the total share, so here we can see that India auto components industry, which exported approximately $1.5 billion worth of parts to the US in 2023, faces potential disruption due to these tariffs. So this amount will be impacted because of such decisions by the Trump, and the increased cost for the US based automakers may lead to reduced demand for Indian made components, because they will not import things from India and other countries, because it will have added tariff. In such situation, they will go for the domestic thing, and might be they will also suffer some loss. So this is the situation that India will also suffer loss, and might be the American people and industrialists who are a part of this automobile industry, might be also they will impacted. And this tariff is not only for the cars which come in a very finished thing, it is also on the engines and various parts which are used on the automobiles. So this is also one of the things, that this is not just for the finished product, this is also for the product, this is also for the parts which are required to make an automobile or make any kind of vehicle. So this is the thing. Now we'll discuss the effect on Indian automakers. So it will impact more or less to every automakers, but largely it will impact the Tata Motors, which is the parent company of Jaguar Land Rover, is particularly vulnerable. And why it is vulnerable? Because JLR export luxury vehicles from UK and Europe to the US, and the tariffs could elevate the prices of these vehicles in the US market. So might be it is consumer tendency that they will purchase less because of the rising cost, and this concern is reflected in the recent 5% decline in the Tata Motor share price following the tariff announcement. So this impact we can also see into the stock market of the India, stock market of the USA also. Many stock market had declined because of this decision by the Donald Trump. Then if we'll see that what are the broader implications we can see. So there will be the reactions from the stock market, and here we can see that after this announcement, Indian auto stocks with Nifty auto index experiencing 0.8% decline. This is moderate for now and this is very less for now, but we are expecting in future might be it will increase. And this trend indicates investor apprehensions regarding the tariffs impact on the sector. Then there are also policy responses. In an attempt to mitigate potential trade tension, India has repealed 6% Google tax on online advertisement, a move aimed at smoothing trade negotiation with the US. This strategic step underscores India's proactive approach to addressing trade barriers and safeguarding its economic interest. So this is also one of the things that India wants to negotiate with the US. That's why India is taking such kind of the policies. Also we can see that we can see impact on the stock market. So what would be the concluding point of this whole discussion? So if we'll move towards the conclusion, here we can see that whatever the impact India will have, it will be relatively modest from other countries because our share is lesser than the Canada and Mexico. So this time we cannot be sure that India will also reciprocate in terms of tariff or not, but strategic policies and good negotiation can help to ease out this situation. So this solution India have, and might be India will take some policies and it will work on those policies so that this particular tension will ease out and there will be no direct confrontation between India and the US. So this is the conclusion of this whole discussion, that yes, India will be impacted from this particular thing, and right now the impact is modest, and if we want to keep it low, then we have to negotiate and we have to work on to various fronts so that it can work better. Now we are going to discuss the practice question for prelims. What is the primary objective of the US government imposing a 25% tariff on automobile imports in 2025? To reduce consumer car prices in the US, to promote domestic manufacturing and economic growth, to penalize foreign automakers for safety violation, to encourage US automakers to source more components internationally. So this is very easy one. You can answer into the comment section. I hope you like this session. If you have any queries related to this session, kindly ask into the comment section. And as you already know that ISGS Foundation course has already started in the Drishti IAS Noida. So if you want to enroll into that courses, there is our calling number, and our calling number is 87501 87501. So here you can contact us. Thank you. Have a nice day.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.